Hey, alright, and today we are back on the ColorVu again, analog series, and I'm going to show you how to turn your ColorVu camera into a bit of a deterrent camera. Okay, it's pretty simple to do. If you've seen our previous video on how to turn off the white light, I would recommend you view that, as we've turned off the white light for this demonstration. Okay then, so now we've got our ColorVu camera here set up, and we're just going to activate a small deterrent triggered upon motion. Okay, then it's pretty simple to do. So when the door opens, we're going to set it up so the flashing light will activate. Okay then, so to do this, we go to our system settings at the top. Okay, and then hover down to event on the left here. So now we see our camera under the event. Okay then, so first of all, you want to make sure our settings are good. So just make sure it's enabled. I prefer to have the sensitivity up as high as possible. And now we can draw our area. Okay then. So left click on the draw. Now we've got our pen. It's usually best to draw like a squarish box if you can. Usually is the best option. So we've got a nice box here. Now this is our motion detection trigger area, so we're going to apply that, and now this is our area done. Now I'll go to arming station, and this is just simply set 24/7 to set it, but you can change the times obviously. I'll let you play around with that. And linkage action, this is the important bit. So what most people will want is when an alarm is triggered, they want notification. So just normal notification to your app or the software you're using. And I'm just going to do an audible warning for now, because our DVR is here. Just going to make the DVR beep as our alarm. But the important one here is the trigger alarm output. For this can realize that our camera has a light on it. So we're going to activate the alarm as the light. Okay then, that looks good. So we just apply that. So now our camera should all be set up. So let's test it out. I'm going to walk by and activate the flashing alarm, flashing alarm and the audio alarm. Okay, let's give it a go. Yep, and there you go. You can see the light flashing away, and you hear the DVR beep. Okay, so that's how you turn your ColorVu camera into a deterrent camera. I hope you enjoyed that, and see you next time. Thank you.